Hi! All objects have mass. The mass is greater than 0. No, there was a zero mass one, right? It's light. The mass of light is defined as 0. Therefore, the mass of all objects is equal to or greater than 0. But could the mass be less than 0? Could there be an object with negative mass? At first glance, it may seem that mass cannot be negative. If the mass is less than 0, the object is unlikely to exist at all. However, any object with negative mass can exist. The scientific community has already discovered such an object through experiments. You are having a hard time imagining that, are you? Because you are so familiar with positive mass. Moreover, negative numbers are often intuitively understood. You have to understand it mathematically. Therefore, in order to understand negative mass, we must first understand exactly what positive and negative numbers are. Let's mass travel together. Look at the world of temperature, where negative numbers are used naturally. Then, isn't there a weather with negative temperatures of minus 10 degrees Celsius? Yes, weather with negative temperatures certainly exists. A negative number refers to a size that has opposite properties compared to a positive number. It doesn't mean that negative number has no size. Negative number also has a size, but it is just the opposite of a positive number. So the money earned is expressed as plus, and the money lost is expressed as minus. Mathematically, any object with negative mass can certainly exist. If there is an object whose properties are opposite to those we are familiar with, we can call its mass negative. If all objects are black or white, if all objects are attracted or pushed by a magnet, if all objects exposed to light are visible or invisible, the mass of one object can be expressed as a positive number, and the mass of the other object can be expressed as a negative number. So, does negative mass really exist physically? Have you ever seen an object that has negative mass? Probably not. The masses we are familiar with are only positive numbers. However, recently, the expression negative mass has finally appeared specifically in the scientific community. Negative mass was not imaginary anymore, but had already appeared in reality. Many people just didn't know that. But now you know exactly. Congratulations! What on earth happened in science? We will look at the details in another video. Thank you. Be back.